So here I am going to provide you ultimate video for college admission based on your percentile, that is 30 to 99 percentile. If you are in this range, then this video is for you only, because it will cover almost all type of a student, and there is a college for every type of percentile. No matter from which category you are, you will be getting the college. So there are lots of college across India. I will cover each and every, I will be covering, and all those college whatever I will provide you in this video. If you will take admission, there will be no problem of study, no problem of college atmosphere, and most importantly placement problem there will be zero, means you will able to get the best placement. So that's how I have considered this college: government, private, NIT, IIT, IIIT, GFTI, all category based on the 12th, and direct admission also I have considered. So everything I will be providing you, that is complete college admission guide, you can say. This video is all about complete the ultimate college admission solution for every type of percentile. So kindly watch the video up to the last. If you want to get the same information in Hindi language, kindly subscribe my Hindi channel, that is Admission Academy. So here is the information for all type of college. So first of all, let me give you advice. Lots of colleges are available across India, so keep your patience. Don't take admission here and there by paying lots of money in very low type of college, because there are lots of options available. So don't, before thinking for drop, try to watch this video and try to check the important information. So first of all, call a private college at low score. If your JEE score is low, then these are the option you have at very low score, that is 30-40 percentile. Even if you are general, then you can go in those colleges, that is Shiv Nadar, SNU, UPS Dehradun, WBJE. Low fee college is available in WBJE in West Bengal state, and Graphic Era. WBJE means WBJE counseling will be done based on JEE also for 10% seat, so you can go with JEE score as well. Graphic Era, there is OJE counseling, that is for Odisha college, and LPU, and Chitkara University, Galgotia University, Amity University, Bennett University, MIT, WPU. So these are the college that you can get at very low score of JEE, that is with CSE or ECE branch, whatever branch you want, you can take. Now if you talk, I will provide you the private college at good score. So if your score is good, that it is 70, 80, 90, 95 percentile, due to the category you are not getting the top NIT, you can go for this college. Is Amrita University, Dhirubhai Ambani college. It is one of the top college and best placement record of engineering college. And LMNIT, Thapar, Nirma, JP Noida, and Pune College of Engineering, VJTI Mumbai, Shastra University. So these are the college that you will get through JEE, but at very high percentile, means 70, 80, 90, 95, like this. Now if you talk about the major counseling to get government and private college, your own state counseling will be there in that. So here is the detail of that: MPDT counseling, MST CET, WBJ, UPSEE, OJE, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, AEEE, IPU, Shastra counseling is there, through which you can get the college based on your JEE score. At low score also government college and private college, both type of option are available. So here I would like to inform you about one thing. Sideways you can check the detail also. In the next section you will be able to check more detail, that is complete college guidance, complete support about all counseling, all college across India. If you want, you can register with my guidance as of now itself, so that I will be providing all the dates and schedule, and I will be mentoring you for your preparation. Complete guidance I will be providing you, so that you will get the best result and best college in almost all counseling across India. And at last stage we can decide which is the best and best branch and best college for you, according to your potential, according to your future expectations. So hope you get my point. Kindly check the next section. Complete guidance for all college across India. So once you join this, you will get the best college by the end of this year academic season, that is 100% sure. Guidance for JEE, BITSET, BIT, Nepal, Amrita, COMEDK, SRM, and many other college like WBJE, KSET, STCET, GoodSET. There are lots of college and college counseling also, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, multiple counseling. So get best college and branch for sure, that is 100% sure, as I am having the 6-7 of years of experience, and best strategy and roadmap for each exam, how you should enroll in examination, how to prepare for that, and how to get the best result, and then how to get the best college with best fee and best branch as well. One-to-one call, message, video session, everything is available, and counseling be one-to-one only, then only you will be able to ask all the question. And until you get into the best college, I will be guiding you. Choice filling, decision making, that is very important thing that I will be doing for you. Personalized choice filling for you, what should be the correct order, decision making after each round, freeze, float, slide, what you should do, everything I will be guiding you. So here is the information: college through class 12, means direct admission if you want, then here is the information: Shastra University, JP Noida, Anna University, Thapar, Manipal, SRM University, UPS Dehradun, LPU, Amity, MIT, WPU, these all colleges can provide you the direct admission based on class 12 result as well. So now if you talk about the management quota, so here is the information: VIT, RBC, MS Ramaiah, BMS, College of Engineering, almost all colleges, whatever I told you for other counseling, other than JOSA and TCEP counseling, all counseling will provide you a college based on the direct payment method, that is management quota seat. SRM University, VIT Pune, DY Patil, MIT, WPU, Symbiosis, Amrita, MUJ, Manipal University of Jaipur, and Kalinga, KIT, Odisha. So these are the options you have available. Now if we talk about safe rank for NIT college, means how much minimum percentile. Here I am going to provide you percentile because rank is not possible as of now. You have got the percentile. So for general 86 and 83 percentile for male and female, if you have, then you will get the NIT. Yes, it is correct, but in CSAB counseling, it is in a special round of counseling at last, not in JOSA counseling. So this is minimum at how much you can expect, you can hope for any college. EWS 83 and 80 percentile, OBC 88 and 77%, 78 and 77 percentile, actually it is not 88, and now SC 65 and 60 percentile, ST 60 and 55, PWD last rank. Any rank if you have, you can get the college in CSAB counseling, not in JOSA. Save a score for triple IT college: general 90 percentile, AWS 85, OBC, and for OBC it is 83 percentile, SC 70 percentile, ST 65 percentile, PWD again last. Now if you talk about save a score for GFTI college, then general 82 percentile, AWS 78 percentile, OBC 75. Whatever I am telling you the percentile, this is applicable for CSAB counseling. It is the last special round of counseling. Now if you talk about ST 50, PWD, any rank if you have, you can get it. Save a score for IIT college. If you want to get the IIT, obviously you have to crack the JEE advanced examination. So for general 120 and 115 marks, there is male and female. EWS 110 and 105, male and female. OBC 110 and 105 again, male and female. SC 75 and 60, ST 70 and 65, PWD 60 and 55. These are the marks required to get IIT college with any lower branch in any of the IIT college in JOSA counseling last round. So this was the complete ultimate guide for your college admission for 2025. So hope you find this information very useful for you. So kindly subscribe the channel so that you will get all the updated information about each and every counseling and college in this same channel. Thank you.